Hey, what's up, pizza people? I'm out here on a bitterly cold Maine winter morning to demonstrate to you how the Roccbox pizza oven cooks in the wintertime. All right, according to my phone, it's 21 right now. The oven's showing it's a little like 4 degrees. It's 4 degrees in the oven, cold right now. This temperature probe's saying 26 and dropping. So it's safe to say that it's below freezing, probably right around 20 degrees. Can the Roccbox handle it? Let's find out. All right, I'm gonna fire the Roccbox up. I'm gonna keep it on the low setting to warm up. I don't wanna shock the stone. That might result in it cracking. Normally I would start it up and keep it on high to get it to temperature, but today we're gonna keep it on low and give it a little extra time to heat up, just to hopefully not break the stone. All right, we're 35 minutes in. Let's see where we're at. Outside temperature gauge is showing about 500. Yeah, so I'm showing 600 degrees. So normally we'd be probably closer to 750, 800 by now. Probably ready to rock a pizza. Not quite there, but it's getting pretty close. I'm gonna check back in another 15 and see if we're ready to throw one in. It's cold. We're just about up on an hour. Let's see where we're at. The Roccbox temperature is saying it's about 750 degrees. Still looking about 650 on the stone. So I think we're just about there. I'm gonna crank it to high for 5-10 minutes while I make a pizza, and we're gonna throw it in, see how it cooks. All right, I came back in to show off the pizza I just cooked because it is freezing out, but bottom line, the Roccbox cooked just fine at below freezing temperatures. As you can see, we got a super good looking brown crust all the way around. Bottom of the pizza's looking real nice. It's a beautifully cooked pizza.